Hello, my name is Shayla Bennett here on behalf of the UNC Athletics Department, and I would like to thank you all for giving me the chance to present the opportunities that UNC has to meet each of Lenovo's needs. After looking at your top four needs, we believe that UNC has a great deal of opportunities to help you all reach each of these goals. Your first need is being able to compete in the market share with Apple, Dell, and HP, bigger names in the industry. In order to compete with these names, you have to be able to build awareness around Lenovo. In order to build awareness and compete, you have to be able to recruit the top employees and show that Lenovo cares through the Lenovo Cares program. As mentioned, your first need is to compete in the market share. In order for Lenovo to compete with Apple, Dell, and HP in the market share, they should partner with UNC Athletics, and here's why. UNC can place Lenovo products in the student stores, such as computers, iPads, and any other product that Lenovo has to offer. UNC would recommend that student athletes use these products as student athletes have a great reputation around campus. Student athletes will receive a free Lenovo Generation 4 ThinkPad at the beginning of their first semester here at UNC. We encourage that Lenovo send around 3 employees to help hand out these computers and explain why Lenovo is able to compete with its competitors. To build awareness around the brand of Lenovo, we will post signage around campus and at sporting events, advertising and making Lenovo stand out to the community. We will also advertise this partnership throughout social media like Instagram and Twitter, being two of the biggest platforms that today's generation uses. Also, at sporting events such as Duke versus UNC football and basketball games, we would do halftime Lenovo giveaways. These giveaways will include smaller products and t-shirts to grasp the attention of fans at the games. Also, during games that use big screens such as football and basketball, we will display different Lenovo products and 1 or 2 commercials throughout the game. To keep competing and building awareness, we have to be able to recruit the top employees. In order for Lenovo to retain their top employees and recruit new talent, we can provide access to luxury seating in Kenan Stadium for the 2020 season. As you guys may or may not know, 2019 season was one of the biggest seasons in Carolina history, with each home game being sold out. Top employees at Lenovo can enjoy 10 tickets in our premium seating area, the Blue Zone, for all 8 2020 home games. With the Blue Zone, we have comfortable seating, climate controlled space, food and beverage options, and the best view of the Kenan Stadium. To show that Lenovo cares and encourage others to use the Lenovo Cares program, we know you all are committed to growing the program in youth education in disadvantaged communities. UNC Athletics would like to bring this commitment right to our sidelines. Lenovo will select 10 elementary students from the local Chapel Hill school area who deserve recognition for their STEM growth in the classroom or individual achievements. These students will have a chance to stand on the sideline right next to our athletes for 1 women's field hockey game, 1 men's football game, 2 women's lacrosse games, and 2 men's lacrosse games. In addition, we would like to highlight Lenovo's efforts to promote youth education by advertising the Sideline with STEM program at each one of these games. As you can see here, this is a UNC athletic event where many people come to watch, and this will create a great atmosphere for the younger kids and to show that Lenovo cares. Here we have mapped out the approximate cost of what each of these things will cost to help you all reach your overall goal. We can go through this a little more when we discuss the partnership, but your overall total is looking to be around $120,800. And we can create a payment plan over a course of 6 to 8 months to help you all reach this goal. As you can see, UNC holds a great legacy, and we would like Lenovo to be a part of this legacy. UNC, as many students know it as, the University of National Champs. We are ranked top 25 in national championships, ranked top 30 in the nation academically, and we want to encourage you, Lenovo, to be a part of UNC and also leave a legacy.